afternoon to one and all present out here. I, Sachem Chettri of Class 8 and a member of Sapphire House, is standing before you all to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Power by Audre Lorde. So here I begin. The difference between poetry and rhetoric is being ready to kill yourself instead of your children. I am trapped on a desert of raw gunshot wounds and a dead child dragging his shattered black face off the edge of my sleep. Blood from his punctured cheeks and shoulders is the only liquid for miles, and my stomach churns at the imagined taste while my mouth splits into dry lips without loyalty or reason, thirsting for the wetness of his blood as it sinks into the whiteness of the desert where I'm lost. Without imagery or magic, trying to make power out of hatred and destruction, trying to heal my dying son with kisses. Only the sun will bleach his bones quicker. A policeman who stood over the boy with his corpse shoes in childish blood, and a voice said, "Die, you little rascal!" And there are tapes to prove it. At his trial, this policeman said in his own defense, "I didn't notice the size nor anything else, only the color." And there are tapes to prove that too. Today, that 37 years old white man with 13 years of police forcing was set free by 11 white men who said they were satisfied. Justice had been done. And one black woman who said they convinced me, meaning they had dragged her 4 feet 10 inches black woman's frame over the hot coals of 4 centuries of white male approval until she let go. The first real power she ever had, and lined her own womb with cement to make a graveyard for her children. I have not been able to touch the destruction within me, but unless I learn to use the difference between poetry and rhetoric. Thank you.